Hello dear students, welcome back to biology class. Let us continue with the 5th chapter, that is morphology of flowering plants. In this video, let us discuss about the types of flowers based on the position of calyx, corolla and roscium in respect of the ovary on thalamus. Based on the position of calyx, corolla and roscium in respect of the ovary on the thalamus, the flowers have been described into three types. The first one is the hypogynous flowers. Second one is perigynous flowers. Third one is epigynous flowers. Now let us discuss in detail about all these three types of flowers. Now the first one is hypogynous flowers. What is hypogynous flowers? Dear students, we all know that all the floral whorls, they are situated on the thalamus. In hypogynous flowers, the ovary occupies the highest position on the thalamus, whereas the other floral whorls, that is members of other floral whorls such as the sepals, petals and stamens, they are situated below the ovary. They are situated below the ovary, or they arise from the base of the ovary. Hence, in this flower, the position of the ovary is said to be superior. The position of the ovary is said to be superior. So such flowers are known as hypogynous flowers. Look at this diagram. This image may help you to draw the diagram and label the diagram. This is the thalamus. Okay. So on this thalamus, look at this. This is the ovary. So ovary occupies the topmost position on the thalamus. Okay. So this is the ovary. Whereas the other floral whorls, this is the sepals, these are, okay. So this is the sepal, then this is here, the petals arise from this position. This is a petal, okay. This is also petal arise from this position. Okay. Then the last one is the stamens. The stamens, they also arise from the base of the ovary. They also arise from the base of the ovary, or they are situated below the ovary. This is one stamen and here it is another stamen. Is it clear? So therefore, in a hypogynous flower, the ovary occupies the topmost position, whereas other floral whorls, they arise from the base of the ovary, or they are situated below the ovary. Then what is the position of the ovary in hypogynous flower? This is very important. The position of the ovary in hypogynous flower, it is said to be superior. Then the examples for hypogynous flowers. The hypogynous flowers can be seen in mustard. ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಗಿಡ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೂವು ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಹೂವು ಹೈಪೋಗೈನಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೈನಾ ರೋಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಬಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ದಾಸವಾಳ ಹೂವು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಂದರೆ ಹೈಪೋಗೈನಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರಿಂಜಾಲ್ ಕೂಡ, ಬ್ರಿಂಜಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಲವರು ಹೈಪೋಗೈನಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಹೈಪೋಗೈನಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್. Then the second type of flower is perigynous flower. Second type of flower is the perigynous flower. What is perigynous flower? In perigynous flower, the thalamus forms a cup-shaped structure Look at this. This is the thalamus part. Okay. So this thalamus, it forms cup-shaped structure. Okay. Then the ovary is situated at the center of this cup-shaped structure, that is thalamus. Okay. Whereas the other floral orals, that is sepals, petals and androecium, that is stamens, they are located at the rim of the thalamus. The other floral orals, that is sepals, petals and stamens, they are located at the rim of the thalamus. Look at this. This is the cup-shaped structure, as I said. This is the sepal, okay, and this is petal. The sepal, this is a sepal, okay, and this is petal, and this is stamen. Similarly, here it is stamen, this is petal, okay, and this is sepal. So all these orals, they are situated at the rim of the thalamus. As a result of this, the ovary is, the half of the ovary is inserted inside the cup-like thalamus, okay, and half of the ovary is exposed outside the cup of the cup-like structure which is formed by the thalamus. As a result of this, the ovary is said to be half inferior. Remember, in case of perigynous flowers, what is the position of the ovary? That is half inferior. Okay. So such flowers are known as perigynous flowers. This type of flowers can be seen in plants like plum, rose and peach. This diagram, it helps you to draw okay, these two diagrams that I have taken it from your textbook. Here also it's very clear in this diagram. If you, the position of the ovary, half inferior, half part of the ovary is inside the thalamus, whereas half of the ovary is outside the thalamus, whereas other floral orals, they are situated at the rim of the thalamus. Okay, so this is about the perigynous flowers. As I said, in hypogynous flowers, the ovary, what is the position of the ovary? In hypogynous flowers, the ovary is said to be superior, whereas in perigynous flower, the ovary is said to be half inferior. Then third one is epigynous flowers. What is epigynous flowers? In epigynous flowers, the thalamus grows upwards. Look at this. This is the thalamus. The thalamus grows upwards. Okay. As a result of this, ovary is completely inside the cup-like structure formed by the thalamus. Okay. Whereas the other floral orals such as sepals, petals and stamens, they grows upwards, they grows above the level of the ovary, whereas thalamus, ovary is completely enclosed by the thalamus. As a result of this, the ovary is said to be inferior. The ovary is said to be inferior. And here the thalamus fuses with the ovary. Such type of flowers are known as epigynous flowers. Hence, in epigynous flowers, what is the position of the ovary? In epigynous flowers, the ovary is said to be inferior. Ovary is said to be inferior. The examples for epigynous flowers are in guava. That is, the flowers in guava, they are epigynous flowers. Cucumber, then ray florets of the sunflower. Okay, so these are the examples for epigynous flowers. Okay, so this is very important. You need to remember, based on the position of calyx, corolla and androecium in respect of the ovary on the thalamus, there are three types of flowers have been described. First one is hypogynous, where the ovary is said to be inferior. Second one is perigynous. In perigynous flowers, the position of the ovary is half inferior. Then third one is epigynous flowers. In epigynous flowers, the ovaries, position of the ovary is half inferior. Okay, so this is about the different types of flowers based on the position of calyx, corolla, androecium in respect of the ovary. On thalamus. Thank you.